Cheers to India.
Namaste from India.
As immigrants, this is the moment we all wait for. There's nothing quite like the happiness you feel when you see that iconic spot at Delhi International Airport. And after a 15-hour journey from Toronto, we finally made it home to Chandigarh.
You told me you don't ever wanna see my face again, but I can't let go. I'm never gonna feel this way again.
But before we dive in, I want to share something I felt on this trip to India. This time, things felt different.
Finally, a new environment. We are in India. It feels so nice to come back always.
And it's actually 8 o'clock in the morning
Yeah, we just woke up pretty early.
because we gotta make the most out of our India trip.
The main reason to visit India is always to meet family. And honestly, it's been like a couple of days now here. And one thing I noticed, for me at least, I don't know, it was very different coming to India this time.
Yeah, same for me as well. I felt some sort of disconnect with the place.
Yeah, I don't know, I feel kind of detached. I don't know if it's a good feeling or a bad feeling. It's a weird feeling because I've been born and brought up here. I mean, it's weird, right? Because now you have two lives, one back in Canada and one is here where we come just to meet a family. So this is also part of a life. But honestly,
Chandigarh is actually home away from home.
yeah, but honestly I've realized it's just the family now. I used to miss a lot of other things
And friends
earlier.
also.
Yeah, couple of friends
Couple of
that I can literally count.
And yeah, I guess that's the tricky part about moving abroad. You no longer know how to move back home because once you've lived abroad, your mindset and view on life change. And when you go back home, it feels like time stood still there and you have outgrown it. Moving to another country definitely splits your heart in half. After a while, you become too foreign for the home you left and still too foreign for the home you found.
And also, I guess the more time that you spend in Canada, the more you start realizing the
Yeah.
cultural differences too. But it's okay. This is still our home.
Away from home.
And yeah, since few days I haven't vlogged anything because honestly it's just been the same things on repeat which you have seen in the past vlogs. We've just spent so much good time with our family, eating all the good food, just home cooked food because this time I don't know what's with our stomach.
Oh yeah,
We've
we
got India
sick.
belly. We're going to Bali and I've heard you get stomach issues and everything there, which is called as Bali belly, but we have got India belly already. And our throats as well. I think we've been so sick since few days.
Same.
But anyways, it's okay. Our body will get used to it in a couple of days. And also it's pretty hot in Canada.
Pretty hot in
Degrees.
Canada?
Oh, pretty hot in India. It's 45 degrees. That's
Yeah.
like a lot.
It's brutal.
Like even when I'm sitting outside in the morning, I'm sweating. I don't even remember sweating like this.
Yeah.
Because you don't get like sweats on your armpits and everything.
I feel-
It's so easy breezy in Canada.
I feel we got sick just because of the weather change or maybe...
Yeah, I guess
Place
so.
change.
Gonna have some tea?
Yeah, let's do that.
Tea time.
Tea time.
No
every-
coffee time, but tea time.
Yeah, every morning it's tea time here.
And also, one thing I've noticed, everything starts so late here. At 10, 11. Like
Breakfast.
even the stores open at 11. Breakfast happens at like 10:30. Dinner at
Dinner's at
9:30,
like
10.
9:30.
And we're not used to this anymore. So there's no point waking up early here because everybody else is sleeping.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be back in a room?
Feels nice. I have so many memories in this room.
Like literally any showpiece that's kept in the room, it's at the same spot
Yeah.
as what we saw last year.
Yeah, it's still intact.
Yeah. And the funny part is I was just telling Saranj, if our flight lands here, just at our house, and we just leave from here, I'm cool with that.
Yeah, I would love
Like
that.
I don't want to go anywhere, like outside. Is it weird? Or are we weird? Because I see a lot of like people coming from when they live abroad, they're excited, you know,
Yeah,
to go
they're-
out, go to
they're-
places, but we are like total opposites.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
just want to be home, just like this. Chill in our pajamas.
Yeah, spend some time with family. That's it. Nothing
Yeah.
else.
Because that's the only thing missing. And I really want to cherish every moment. Because whenever we plan like a day out, you just go out, focus on the food. You can't really talk that much, so it's just better to be home.
Yeah.
But we might go today.
Oh yeah, because our dad is literally forcing us to go for lunch.
I mean, we've missed that too, like going out as a family together.
Yeah.
So it's okay. We can just do this once in a while.
Yeah. We have a new addition in the family. Meet Mr. Cooper. He's a Maltipoo. He's actually a toy. Oh, and he's very naughty also.
So cute. I so want to get a dog in Canada. Cooper!
Cooper! Sit.
Mama's sister, Masi. She's come from Kuwait, and it's good that we met her also during this trip. अच्छा मिल लिए. After 4 years.
तो गए हैं ये।
हाँ बस
बस
उसी टाइम मिले
उसी टाइम मिले थे.
Meet Mama. If you haven't watched her in the previous vlogs.
People know Mama. She has been coming in the videos, in the India videos. So this is what we miss the most, spending time with family. That's the main reason to come to India, to meet Mama, Appa. Otherwise, honestly, there's no fascination for India apart from meeting beautiful Mama.
My lovely daughter.
We always love spending time together. And also, there's someone else also who's here, Soumya. All ready for lunch? Totally. Meet Papa also. Papa, say hello.
Okay, hello.
We're all going for lunch together.
Hello.
Excited. And meet none other than Ashram. We miss this, like going together with family. There are actually a lot of restaurants that are now open here. Cheers! Cheers to good times in India.
This place has some really nice cocktails. We actually have a Tulum vibe right in Chandigarh itself now. This place is really nice.
Good cocktails and good food as well. But it's so hot. We can't sit outside. That's the best part about Canada, that you can sit outside in summer. But in India, with scorching heat, you have to be indoors. But it's nice outside now. Oh my god. Food overdose. Niagara waterfalls. We ate way too much. Too much. I mean, Indian trip is always about meeting family and eating lots of food.
Along with my lovely family.
She's saying we enjoyed the food along with our lovely family.
This place is very nice. Everybody is nice.
My cousin actually owns this restaurant. It's a newly opened restaurant in Chandigarh, and it's actually a pan-Asian cocktail bar. This sort of place is something what Chandigarh always wanted.
And also, we went to Ludhiana, where I'm from, to meet my side of the family.
And we're in Ludhiana, and the highlight is. What will you do after this?
स्कूल जाऊंगी इसके बाद
But Masi will miss you.
आ जाऊंगी नानी हाउस में I love you मासी too
I love you too.
I love you too
Bye, Ella. Have a good day.
Where are you going, Ilaya?
school
Yay!
Bye.
Bye.
A major highlight was dropping my niece Elia off at school. Yes, she started going to school now and literally talks non-stop in the cutest way. What a change.
मासी मुझे छोड़ के आ रही है
Yes, Mama.
Hi
Masi will pick you up also, okay? Should Masa come
Yes
to pick you up from school? See you later. Bye. Bye. And I've been wanting to do this from so long. By the way, having some cold coffee in this scorching heat in India. It's really hot. You can't like walk outside. It's that bad. And meet my sister. They're all the same faces. Nothing new.
Meet our famous Abhi Bhaiya.
Hi guys.
And that's Ranj. We miss 4 of us being together. There's another one who's missing, who we'll meet very soon.
Whenever we are in Canada, we crave for these sort of moments.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ranj, welcome to my school. We all have studied from here.
Sacred Heart Convent.
Sacred Heart Convent, Sarabanagar. But now we are going to a different school which is inside, which is Cambridge. Take her outside. We picked her up too, and she cried so much in school that day because she really missed me, and she even told her teacher about it.
This is for Relaya.
It's so hot that you need
Thanda.
coconut water right after school. One thing that's really good about Ilaya is there's so many ice cream vendors also outside, but Ilaya always comes to this coconut guy.
For healthy.
Here you go.
Yes.
Cheers.
And oh, by the way, she made us a card too, which was so adorable.
She made the card for you guys.
So nice. Ice cream, rainbow.
Hot.
Your heart. Your heart. Oh.
My dear Masi and Mosa.
I miss you very much, but I love you both. My biggest wish is to get a small sister or brother.
That's a very big wish.
This came as a surprise.
Thank you for always spoiling me and loving me unconditionally. Oh, thank you, Ilaya. Hello, Papa.
Hello.
Hello, Mommy. Hi.
So yeah, we spent a lot of time chilling with my mom, dad, sister, brother at home, having heartfelt conversations and enjoying my favorite Baba chicken.
No trip is complete to Ludhiana without butter chicken. Enjoy.
We relaxed at home, lazing around, playing with my niece, and really enjoyed catching up with everyone. And obviously, lots of good food.
Food, food, and food. Ilaya, where are you going?
And it's in the bed. Cinderella.
So we just came to Ludhiana for the weekend.
Yes.
And we are really excited for...
Bandy.
We're actually
Bali.
going for shopping.
We are.
Swimsuits and everything. Bali.
So we are excited. So we are excited for.
Bali.
Are you excited to go to beach clubs?
Yes.
That's what we're looking forward to. That's why it's such a short trip to Ludhiana this time. Because we are going to be spending the last 10 days together with the family in Bali.
Can't
Looking forward
wait.
to it. Cheers to Ketan.
Best friend.
And you know, no trip is complete without meeting friends.
We do it again. We have done this before, but we're doing it again. Thanks for meeting us, Nikhil. It was really nice
Thanks.
meeting you. After like what? 6 years? 7
6
years?
years.
We don't even know, but
And
we
it
had
doesn't
such a
feel
great
like
time.
6 years that we
I know,
met after
but-
6 years. Time flies.
It was so nice catching up with everyone after so long. And also, one more thing that happens always, hitting the salons because grooming is really cheap in India.
Things you do when you're in India. There's Saranj. There's Mommy, Asha mom. We're all chilling together.
Just multiply all these moments by 3 weeks, and that's what we did. Spend time at home with family. But there's something else which is new, and I'm really excited to try out all the new features on my website. Here's the link, and I just want to take a quick moment to thank today's sponsor of the video, none other than Squarespace. So if you don't know, Squarespace is an amazing all-in-one platform that helps you to build your own website, blog, portfolio, e-commerce store, all in one space. And honestly, it's so easy to build your own website. I have no coding experience or anything. Also, I had too many coffees while making it. But if you still get stuck somewhere, they have 24/7 customer support to help you with whatever you need. And also, the only thing where I spent a lot of hours was to decide the template, because they have so many beautiful award-winning templates to choose from. So if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or want to showcase your portfolio, which is so important in today's day and age, definitely check it out. Play around with the features, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/peekaboo to get 10% off on your first purchase of a website or domain. And hey, don't forget to check out my website. It's literally chef's kiss. And now back to the video.
How's the feeling, Saranj?
I'm not feeling good at all. It's actually mixed feelings right now because obviously it's our second last day and we have to say goodbye to our mom, dad, God knows when are we gonna meet them next.
Why are you saying we? When are we gonna meet them? We'll meet them soon, but when it's her last few days, we know just after this we're going back to Canada. But this time, since we're going to Bali, everybody's so excited. All of our other family members who are going with us, we are excited too. But this time it's such a different feeling because we are leaving India, but we still have next 10 days in our full holiday. But the India trip is almost over, and this time, yeah, I didn't record much. You have seen the usual stuff, what we do, right? Just come home, spend time with family.
Yeah, you've seen in the previous
You've
vlogs.
seen it in the previous vlogs, and now we're just packing our bags because tomorrow is the last day and we want to keep it entirely free. It's the last day tomorrow with Saranj's mom and dad, specifically, and we're just kind of getting emotional. But I don't know. It feels weird. When you have another trip planned after this, I don't know. Are you supposed to be sad because you're leaving, or are you supposed to be happy and excited because you have another thing coming up? We're just everywhere.
I know this is a really short video from India, but there's a lot of family fun coming up from Bali, which we visited right after India. Plus, I finally got to see my brother after 5 freaking years. I was more excited about that than Bali. But stay tuned for the next vlog. It's going to be so much fun. And subscribe so you know when the video goes live. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.